to your device and tell me the poem Swing, Swing, Swing. I told you to prepare only 8 lines, but now
Sleepy afternoon. Swing,
yes.
swing, swing. Up I go to Mr. Sand. Swing, swing, swing. I
Slowly,
can see.
slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't move so fast. Slowly, slowly.
Slowly,
Tell me.
slowly. Clear hearing.
Up
Hmm.
I go to
Ashna say, Arshi say.
I go to
Hmm. Samprikta say, Yavraj, Ayush, Nishan say. Yes, yes, tell me. I'm telling to everyone. Armin, Deeptha, Arvika, Arhan say, everyone say. Shampriti, very good Shagni. Tirasha say, very good Arshi. Ashna say, very good. I love to hear three words. Swing, swing, swing from your mouth.
high and low, fast and slow.
Samprikta say, okay, okay.
I can see as
Yes, yes, say Ashna. Why you are muting your device? Say, say,
I can
Here, here.
yes, say. Everyone say. Irene, welcome.
high and slow.
Tell me the poem Swing, Swing, Swing. Very good, Shagni. Arvika, okay. Arvika, come closer to the camera. Okay, okay. So, prepare the whole poem. Okay, prepare not only 8 lines, prepare the whole poem. Okay, for the exam, prepare the whole poem. The poem is very easy. If in any case, if you fail to prepare the whole poem, just let me know. Understood? Okay, so now we will do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, and I will open my book, that is ebook, and you also have to open your own book. So take a pencil and do the exercise with me. Take a pencil and listen. Akmal Ali, listen. And listen one thing, that exercise question answer. Question answer I will give you. So right now, today don't have to do question answer. We'll skip only exercise, that exercise. Okay. Let me, Ayush, what happened? Tell me. Ayush, you are
What?
crying.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes, ma'am.
happened,
What?
Ayush? What happened? Why are you crying? Say. Now you are laughing. Okay, okay. So, what is your book? All of you are ready? Okay, okay. Okay. See, I'm not also sitting idly. I'm also doing the exercise with you. Okay, don't think that ma'am is also saying us. Ma'am is not doing anything. Okay, don't think that ma'am is also doing with you. Okay, this is also my classwork. Okay, okay. Let me share my book. Ashna Himadri. Okay. Mm, do you have any question? I didn't say.
Ma'am, tell you something.
Yes.
Ma'am, network issue. I am not present. Can you present me?
I was waiting for you. Okay. Attendance
Yes,
not attendance not yet taken. Okay. Not yet
okay,
taken.
ma'am.
Okay. Only 29 participants have joined. Okay. After 5 minutes, I'll take the attendance. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. And
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you. Okay. Ashna, Mushina, everyone. Okay. Now look at my screen. Okay, anyone tell me? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay, 1 second. Okay, if you can see my screen, just raise your hand only. Raise your hand only. If you can see my screen, okay. Shagnik, Irene, okay. So my screen sharing is approved by you. Okay, okay. Now drop your hand. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so this is my ebook. All of you, you also have your own book. Now do the exercise with me. Okay. See, exercise A. Complete the lines from the poem. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. So you can see there are three options written: sun, moon, and star. Let me take my pen. Okay. So question number one. Up I go to meet the. What is the correct answer? Sun, moon, or star? Bondhabo, tell me what is the answer? Up I go to meet the sun, moon, or stars.
Sun.
Very, very good. Very good. Sun. Now you can mute your device. So, sun is our answer. Okay. Next. Next. Go to the next page. Go to the next page. Is it clear? I hope the page is clear to you. Okay. Okay. I can see. I can see as I go. Sky, high or down. Ashna, say. Ashna, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
I can.
I can
Hi.
I can see as I
Ah,
go high. Very, very good.
take
Also,
us hi.
yes, yes. Everyone also do this in your book. Ashna also do this in your book. Okay, this is my book. See, I am doing in my book. So you also have to do in your own book. Okay. At the end of the class, I will ask to check everyone book. Then you have to show me. Okay, you also have to do in your own book. Next question. The sun is gone. Dash. Read away. Done. Arshi say. Arshi. The sun is gone. Read away. Done. Hmm? The sun is gone. Read away. Done. The sun is away. Very good. The word is away. Very, very good. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Who want to say? Zubaidul say. Zubaidul, tell me question number 4. Gun to make a bright new. Gun to make a bright new day, away or night. Unmute your device. Zubaidul, unmute your device and say.
Day.
Gun to make a bright new day. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Also to mark the answer in your own book. Okay. Do the classwork by your own. Okay. No one will do it for you. Do it by your own. Okay. Okay. Now this portion is mean exercise B. Exercise B. Answer the question. This part now I'll skip. Okay, this part we will do tomorrow. Otherwise, it will be too heavy for us because there are 4 questions and the answer need to discuss. Okay, so exercise B we will do tomorrow. Now we'll do the vocabulary part. Very, very nice and interesting. You can see exercise A. Listen to your teacher, read out this word and repeat them. Nothing to do here. Here you have to repeat this word with your teacher. So everyone repeat this word with me. One, two, three. Repeat this word with me. Okay. Boy, joy, toy. Speak boy, joy, toy. These are rhyming words. These are called rhyming word. The rhyming sound of boy is matching with joy, and the toy, the rhyming sound of these three words are same. That is why these are called rhyming words. Boy, joy, toy, day, gay, hey, bet, red, lit. Okay, low, flow, slow, fly, sky, high. Bun, fun, sun. Okay, I'm doing it again. Let me let me see who are listening to me, who are sleeping, who are lying down. Shamprikta Bera, where is your book? Your finger should be on your book. No need to unmute. Okay, no need to unmute. If you don't have book, just look at my screen. Okay, right now I can't unmute. Okay, your finger should be on your book. Okay, now repeat. Boy, joy, toy. Day, gay, hey. Bed, red, lit. Okay. Low, flow, slow. Fly, sky, high. Bun, fun, sun. Okay. Now we have to do exercise B. This one now we will do. Okay. This one. Exercise B. So do this with me. I'm also writing this answer for you. You also have to write. Okay. Who will say Arhan? Arhan, tell me, what will be the rhyming word for away? What will be the rhyming word for away? AWAY, away. What will be the correct rhyming word for away? Unmute your device and say. Who can say? Unmute? Why you are not unmuting your device? Arhan? Where are you, Arhan? Okay, Deeptha say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arhan. Okay, Arhan say away. What will be the rhyming word for away? Say. Can you tell me? Okay, Ayush, Ayu, say.
Yes, ma'am. Bolo. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what will be the correct rhyming word for away? Look at your book, look at the poem. Find out the word from the poem. Away. The rhyming word for away will be don't want to say the answer. Who want to
No.
away low? No, no. Tell me the correct answer. Who know? Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. Raisa want to say. Raisa. Yes, Raisa say. I know who know the answer.
Hello.
No, no. Okay, okay. Let me check. Who want to say? No one. Acha, I didn't say. I didn't say. I didn't say. I didn't. Okay. Sampriti wants to say. Sampriti, tell me. Sampriti, tell me. Tell me. Away. Day. Yes, day. The rhyming word for away will be away day. Day. Okay? Very good. Now, okay. Okay, now turn
Down,
down.
down.
Very good. Down, town, town. So we'll
Low,
write
slow. Slow, slow.
low, slow. Okay. Very good. Okay. Completed. Yes? Okay. All of you have completed? All of you have completed till the page? Up to this page? All of you have completed? Then I'll go to the next page. Okay, okay. Away, day, down, down, low, slow. Do it by yourself. Okay? Do it by yourself. Okay? This is your task. Ma'am is doing. When ma'am can do this for you, you can also do it by for your ma'am and for also yourself. Okay? Now I'm going to the next page. Okay? Yeah, this is a very interesting thing. Look at the picture. Okay? Look at the picture. See. Look at this picture. What you can see? Look at this picture and read the words in blue. What is it? Look at the picture. The picture. This is low. The boy is standing, and there is another one. So it is written in blue color, low and high. So opposite of low is high. Opposite of low is high, and also the high opposite low and low's opposite is high. Fast and slow. Okay. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture. Exercise C. We have to match this. Okay. We have to match this. Mm, okay. Big. Big opposite. Who want to say? Who want to say? Tirasha say. Tirasha. Tirasha tell me. Tirasha tell me. Tirasha.
Bigger opposite have a small.
জোরে বলো।
Speak
Biggest
English.
opposite have a
English.
small.
Speak in English only. Okay. The opposite of big is
Small.
opposite of big is small. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Opposite of big is small. Very, very good. Next. Ifra. Ifra say. Ifra. Opposite of close is
Open. Open মানে খোলা.
no need to
Open.
okay, no need to tell me the Bengali word. Okay. Unmute your device. All of you unmute your device. Okay, or go unmute your device. Okay. Unmute. Shamprikta or go. Okay, next. Yavaraj, unmute your screen. Unmute your device. Nishan, unmute your device. Nishan. Shagni. Okay, Shagni. Unmute your device. GV. GV, unmute your device. Arhan, unmute your device. And now tell me. Tell me. Okay, opposite of close is open. Opposite of yes, opposite of cold is hot. Yes, yes. Tanvir, unmute your device. Okay, okay. Yes. Arhan, see day, 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 night. Yes. And left opposite. Yes, left, right. Yes, left, right. Completed. Left, right. Okay. Okay, now go to the next page. Go to the next page. There is also a picture. Go to the next page. See. Go to the next page. See. See. Okay. What you can see? Exercise A, only just listen to your teacher and recitation of this poem. Nothing to do here. We will do exercise B. We will do exercise B. Okay. We will write the proper word. This slide is dash in color. First of all, everyone unmute your device. Irene. No need to mute your device. No need to mute. Tell me the answer.
Orange. Orange.
Okay. I'm also writing. Okay. Tell me slowly, slowly. Let me ask you. Then tell me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. This word I like very much. Okay, ma'am.
G.
Orange.
G.
Everyone also check my copy. No one is there to check
No,
my
I'm
copy.
in orange.
Yes, orange. So the slide is orange in color. Next word. Next word. What will be the answer? Tell me. Two boys are near the
Slide.
something. Armin Rahman, Arhan. Mute your device. Unmute your device. Arvika, unmute your device. Yeah, two boys are near the slide.
Slide. No.
Slide.
Slide.
Very good.
This
Next.
is sun play on the seesaw.
A boy and a girl are playing on the
Seesaw. Seesaw.
seesaw.
Seesaw.
Do you do you do you like to ride on seesaw? Do you like to?
Like very much.
Oh, I
Yes.
also, I also, I also.
No.
But now no one
I
allow me to do this. Okay.
in COVID situation.
Huh. For COVID situation. Yes. Next. The girl on the swing is wearing a pink blouse. Though, yeah, this is not a blouse, this is a top. But what to do? The option is blouse. Then we have to write blouse. Blouse. Yes. Next, the girl is waving her dash as she is swinging hand. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Hands.
Down the
Completed. Okay. Yes, I also. Okay. Okay. So all of you completed today's CW? Completed? Completed in your own book? Okay. So now okay. Okay. So let me stop the screen sharing. Okay. Now show me your copy, everyone. Show me your copy one by one. Show me your copy. Let me check. I told to everyone that unmute your device. Okay. Now show me your copy one by one. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just 1 second. Everyone, I will request to all, please drop your hand so that I can take the attendance alphabetically. Drop your hand. One second. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me take the attendance. This is very important. See, don't tell me, ma'am, I was not there in the class, because at the end I am taking attendance. And I will also tell your name, okay? I will also tell you your name, because all of you are our new student. We should take your name. Yes? Wish. Thorina? Vaishani? Where? No. Where is Vaishani? Okay, 1 second. 1 second. রাজদি ইয়েস তুমি করতেই পারো আই ওকে ওকে রাজদি Rajdi. Okay. Rajdhi and Vaishani, Sumo, Shanchan. Okay. One second. Listen. Okay. Now 30 students are attending the class. Okay. Yes. So I told you everyone unmute your device. Okay. Somehow you couldn't do this. Okay. So Rajdhi and Vaishani. Okay. Rajdhi and Vaishani, unmute your device. Okay. Vaishani, unmute your device. Okay. Both of you tell me the poem Swing, Swing, Swing. Tell me.
Blue, up, swing, swing, swing. Up, swing, swing, swing. Up I go to the sun. Swing, swing, swing. I can see the sun go high sky. And around the sky. I can see as I come down the tops of the houses in the town. Go. Swing, swing, swing. Swing, swing, swing. See, the sun is gone away. Swing, swing, swing. Going to make a bright new day. Fast and low. Swing, swing, swing.
Very good. Very good. Now I'm giving you attendance. Okay. Okay. Now Arshi, Sumon, Mushina, Bornabho, Arohi, Rajdhi, Oishani, Mundol, Orghopal, Arhan, Armin, Arvika, Ashna, Ayu, Deeptha, Himadri, Ifra, Irene, Jivi, Jubaidul, Nishan, Raisha, Shaknik, Samprikta, Sampriti, Sanchayon, Akmal, Shomodip, Tanvi, Tirasha, Yuvraj. Okay, so these 31 students, including me 32. These students are doing class, so your attendance are secure. So don't be panic, you will get attendance. Okay, don't worry, and don't misunderstand me that ma'am don't like me. Okay, don't think that ma'am love everyone. Ma'am love everyone. Okay, alternatively ma'am will ask to each and everyone. Okay. Okay.
You, ma'am.
Okay.
You, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
bye. Have your lunch. Your parents are waiting. Bye
Bye.
bye. See you on tomorrow. Okay. Keep practicing the. Okay. Bye. Tata. Bye.
এত
Bye.
সবাই গাড়ি করছে তারপরেও কি করে একজন হয়ে যায়?
Bye.